Hey everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you a big Dollar Tree haul. A lot of these items are for fall. A lot of it is for doing DIYs. And then also I have some items for the same purpose from Walmart. And then a few things from Amazon. If I have time, I'll share that with you. I don't want this to go on really long and, bore you. But the majority of what you see here will be for DIYs and then as well as autumn decor. So I picked up a whole bunch of their pumpkins, and I mean, they have really upped their game. Almost looks like an apple, doesn't it? Because a lot of their products look really great, and that makes me happy. So I got this one, and then I got a white one, and I'm gonna paint this. I'm not sure which color blue. I need to still, well, I will share with you my paints, my paint colors in just a few moments. So I'm going to paint that white one. I got a couple of these like burlap ones. They are so cute, in a tan and then like a rust color. And then just a regular old one like that, and I will probably paint that as well. And then I picked up I picked up 2 rolls of wired ribbon, and that is so pretty. See the gold on that? I love it. And then this one as well, it's pumpkins, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. There you go. See the big pumpkin there? So those will be pretty on some wreaths. And then I picked up the burlap, 9 feet of that. I wanted, and you'll see I have more burlap from Walmart, but I wanted this because of this width there. And I also picked up raffia, almost said wrath. And then I got these metal words, Thankful Harvest and Welcome. I picked up 2 of them because I'm planning on, I might use a couple of them in this metal look, but I'm planning on painting them. I picked up some candlesticks, not to use as candlesticks. Ooh, well, if I break them, I won't be able to use them at all. But you'll see. I'll share that with you once I get these projects, made. Okay. I also picked up foam for flower arranging. And then some wreaths here. Yep, to create some beautiful fall wreaths. And what will I use on those? I have a lot of fall leaves and floral things that I purchased last year, picks and flowers and sunflowers, and just a whole lot that I can use on those. And then look at all these pretties from Dollar Tree. So I got, 3 or 4 of these? 3 of these. And these are the gypso. They're really, really pretty. Those make good fillers. And then the cattails in this rust color. And in that reddish, like a maroon more maroon than just a regular red. And then this one, really pretty. And then I got these. Aren't those pretty? I love those. Okay, so I also picked up some of their nautical rope. And these signs. Now these are I like this one. I will use this just the way it is. I think it's really, really cute. But next year, if I want to change it up, I can take this off, take that leaf off, and then paint over this, and do something different with it. I love this one. It is so cute. But I'm going to get rid of that because I'm going to DIY it. And then same with this. I got this to use because I really like the shape. Same with this one. And this one I will keep as is. It is really, really cute. Thankful and blessed. Okay, my goodness, I'm gonna have to get out my little vac here and vacuum off my desk when I'm done with this video. So at Walmart, I think I got this at Walmart. I don't think, yes, I got this at Walmart. Soft cotton cord. This blue is the blue that's in our master bathroom. So I have an idea of what I want to do with this with some jars, decorating for the bathroom. I picked up this wreath here, and that is going to go, I purchased some like window panes. Let me share with you. I don't think I'm going to get it all on camera because it's too big. But I purchased a couple of these. And it's big. From Kirkland's, they were on sale. So I picked up 2. And I plan on putting a wreath in the middle of them, and they'll go in our master bedroom. I picked up some cotton. Like a cotton spray. It's not a spray, but you know, you can take those off and decorate with them. Really pretty. And I got this candle. Now, the reason I'm showing you this, it does smell heavenly. It's pineapple lily, but I liked the color. But these are really good when you can get them on sale. I like the Mainstays. Yeah, that's what this is, Mainstays. And they're Better Home and Gardens from Walmart. When you can get them for like $1 or $2, it's really great, but they're perfect for going in like a tiered arrangement. So here is all my chalk paints that I've purchased. Now, a lot of these were not in my store. So I went online and I purchased them and got free shipping. So at the store, I picked up the chalk white paint here. And then I picked up, I think this was online, white wax. So this is for bigger projects, not these little signs. And then I picked up the ink. So this is the Waverly in black, and then in crimson, and then ocean, which is like a really good navy blue, and then lagoon, and 2 pools. And I just got the smaller one of these colors because I wasn't sure which blue was going to be the one that I'm looking for particularly. And then I picked up this one. I think it's, yep, hazelnut. I love the look of whitewash and then having like, you know, the distress underneath of it where you sand it. And it has like a patina color under it or a rust. And that's why I got these different paints, because I'm not sure which I will use. And then real quick before I let you go, here's some burlap. That's from Walmart. That way I can make real big bows. And Dollar Tree was out of their floral wire when I was there, so I got this at Walmart. And then I got the jute cord at Walmart as well. So a lot of goodies for DIYs. Oh, I did want to show you, as I'm under 10 minutes still. This isn't for DIYs, but I have 16 by 16 size pillows, and then I just buy new pillow covers for them for the seasons. And so isn't this one cute? I love it. The gingham, the buffalo plaid truck. Is that not adorable with the pumpkins? There's the blue pumpkins. I love that. And the Crow's Pumpkin Patch Farm. So I got that one. And I got this one. Buffalo plaid for Christmas. It's the most wonderful time of the year. So yay. Yep, that's what I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope to see you back on my next video. And I picked up these 2 little cuties also from Amazon. I'm going to probably use that blue cord that I shared with you earlier and put those in my bathroom. Talk to you soon. Bye.